What's going on? This is my 2-week follow-up video on this Enya Inspire guitar. I've been playing this guitar constantly for 2 weeks and it is holding up well. I'm having no trouble with it whatsoever. Here, check this thing out. You have some black tinted chrome tuners there. That is a carbon fiber nut and a full carbon fiber construction on this guitar. Offset inlays with side dots. These are ceramic pickups with a vintage style tremolo. This is a real unique system on the back here. It's basically the same tool that you use to adjust the truss rod. You can actually adjust the claw on the tremolo. Symmetrical neck here. Feels like a modern C. I did a full review on this guitar and you should really check it out for more in-depth details of it. But essentially this is a very awesome guitar with ceramic magnet pickups that runs to a volume pot just like any other guitar. 1/4-inch output. But anytime you're like, hey, I don't feel like plugging an amp in and I don't want to grab one of these and be unplugged, you can just grab this thing like I've been doing, hold down this button/knob right here, and you have 4 different channels of guitar tones that are all going to come out of this speaker. Channel 1, there's channel 2, it's blue. Channel 3 is also like a lighter blue. Then you have a purple, which matches this guitar, which I use for lead tones. And then you're like, hey, I want to plug this thing in and jam for a while. Thank you so much for checking this video out, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Be sure to check out my full review on this. I think you'll be pretty impressed. Take care. I'll see you later.